Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. First, let me give the headlines. The Falmouth police find 2 guns over the weekend. Police find the missing tourists who come from America. Popular Instagram model get locked up. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Falmouth police them find 2 guns over the weekend. In the first operation, the police them find one 9mm pistol with 9 bullets from Market Street Saturday. According to the police, around 1 p.m., them went upon operation when them search one empty building and find the gun. Nobody na get locked up. In the second operation, the police them find one gun who make a yard on 2nd Avenue in a flank called St. James. Them search one another empty building and find the gun. Nobody na get locked up. The police report to the tourists who come from America who been go missing 2 weeks back after them come off of the Carnival cruise ship in a Ocheria St. Anne wanted in America. The man are Eric Lott and them catch him in a Brownstown. According to Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, who are the head for the St. Anne Police, the man get charged under the Alien Act. He may go court today. SSP Powell said Mr. Lott wanted for all heap of crime in America. The police said them been a look for the man from September 13. Some report have come out said Jada Sheaves, who come from America, who popular on social media like Instagram, get locked up in a Montego Bay St. James after police find 2 guns in her handbag. According to the police report, Sheaves did go take one private plane at the Sangsters International Airport when them find the 2 guns. The police said the 2 guns licensed in America, but federal government never give her authority to carry them come here. She go court Wednesday. Robert Miller, who was the member of parliament for St. Catherine South Eastern, said the people them who live in a Myrtleway, Portmore, St. Catherine soon get light and running water in them house. Him said since July, 120 houses get wire between Myrtleway and Penway, and them are going to do phase 2 of the wiring program at 48 Passage Fort Drive and Portmore Garden. Miller been attacked in the House of Representative, and him said the program are do through the Ministry for Local Government and Rural Development and the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF. News from the rest of the Caribbean. The Royal Bahamas Defense Force said them a plan to move 400 Haitians from some land upon the Rock Island chain. Sunday gone, the police said some fishermen tell them say them been spot the boat. On top of that, some other Haitian get spot on Flamingo and the Water Key on the same island too. Last week, 500 Haitian been coming out the country too. Them been get locked up and police said them a check if them a criminal. People, I just remember only said the curfew around from 8 p.m. tonight and done 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.